Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. One. Today we're going to talk about insulin resistance as that has been our goal of this platform. And today another video is coming up and is meant to discuss on what particular plant for you to eat in order to fight insulin resistance. The title for this one is 88% of Americans have insulin resistance, silently damaging their health. It causes obesity, heart disease, and Alzheimer's, and you can name the rest. But cutting carbs and exercising aren't the only solution. Here are the top 10 herbs, spices, and supplements to reduce insulin resistance. The first one is fenugreek. This ancient seed contains 4-hydroxyisoleucine, a compound that forces your muscle to absorb glucose faster. The result? Lower blood sugar spikes and better insulin sensitivity. And now, how much of this substance would you be taking, or is it recommended? So you can take between 500 to 1,000 milligrams with meal 2 to 3 times per day. So that could be, say, breakfast, lunch, and supper or dinner. Look for standardized extract at 50% saponins. The next one is cinnamon. Not all cinnamon is equal. Ceylon cinnamon, the rare kind, contains cinnamaldehyde that mimics insulin's effect. Studies show 1 to 2 teaspoons daily can drop fasting blood sugar by 10 to 29%. Sprinkle it on yogurt, mixed in coffee, or take 500 milligrams of capsules twice daily. The next one is berberine. This compound works like metformin, remember, the number one diabetes drug, but it's extracted from plants. Berberine acts AMPK. That's what it does. It activates AMPK, your body's metabolic master switch. Take 500 milligrams 3 times daily, 30 minutes before meals. Start with a low dose to avoid digestive upset. The next one is alpha lipoic acid ALA. ALA or ALA is a mitochondrial antioxidant that helps your body cells use insulin properly. It also regenerates other antioxidants like vitamin C and glutathione. The dosage for this one is 600 milligrams daily on an empty stomach. Remember, choose the oral lipoic or lipoic acid form for better absorption. So there's different types. So oral lipoic is the best one. Then you have chromium picolinate. Chromium helps insulin bind to cells. Without it, your insulin cannot do its job. Take 200 to 400 micrograms daily with meals. Pair it with vitamin C to boost absorption. Then you have the bitter melon. These fruits contain serantine and polypeptide P, both mimic insulin. It forces glucose into cells and reduces stored sugar release from your liver. You can have it as a juice or take 500 milligrams extra capsules before meal. You have turmeric. with black pepper. Black pepper in this case serves as a stimulant. That's what it does. It has kind of rubefacient effect. In this case, that's why you have to combine it. Curcumin, the active compound, reduces inflammation that blocks insulin signaling. But here is the trick. Add black pepper, that's pepperine, to boost absorption by 2000%. Take 500 to 1000 curcumin with 5 to 10 milligrams of black pepper extract twice daily. The next one is Gymnema sylvestre. The Hindi name means sugar destroyer. It literally blocks sugar absorption in your gut and regenerates insulin producing cells. Studies show it can drop A1C by 1 to 2 points in 18 to 20 months. And in this case, you are recommended to take 400 milligrams extra daily, split into 2 doses, followed by magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is required for insulin to work. Over 50% of diabetics are deficient. So always check your magnesium if you are suffering from diabetes. And in this case, you need to take 400 to 500 milligrams before bedtime. Take the glycinated or glycinate form of magnesium, as it is gentle on your stomach and absorb better. Omega-3 fatty acid. They reduce inflammation that damages insulin signaling. They also improve cells membrane fluidity so insulin receptors work properly. In this case, you have to take 2 to 3 grams daily of combined EPA/DHA. You can also get them by eating fatty fish. So I think we are coming to the end of this. So if you like this post, you will love the video I made on top 10 supplements for inflammation and metabolic health. So far, so good. My name is Dr. WAN. Thank you for listening, and may I wish you a wonderful day. Ciao, Dr. WAN.